Hello, today is the 6th of October, Monday, and this is the playback session for FTSE and S&P 500, how the market's traded today, and also this is the analysis for tomorrow, the 7th of October. So first, let's look at the FTSE chart. As we did our analysis, we had uh, the R3 levels around 9504.7 yesterday, and the S3 or the L3 level was at 9462.1. So the market opened around this place yesterday, and as per our analysis yesterday, the market straight away went to R3, and then it kind of retraced from R3 to the pivot point, and then it actually traded around the pivot point for some time before going back to the L3 level, but it just fell short of a couple of points before it kind of bounced back from that area back to the R3. So it was a very nice trade, which kind of gave an opportunity to trade both ways yesterday. And then when we had the US market open, the price broke the R3 level, but yeah, it didn't actually go all the way to R4. So I saw a trading opportunity where I usually look at the 50% fib retrace, and as you can see, the price failed to break the 50% of the fib. So I saw that opportunity and I waited for the price to break back into the R3 level, and then I waited for this candle to close well beyond the R3 level, and then as you could see, I entered my position around 9499.3, which I held the trade all the way up until 9472. I still have this trade open, so I'm kind of expecting price to maybe revisit S3 when the market opens. So that's FTSE. It's kind of did exactly what we did the analysis yesterday, which is great. So I've got the levels for tomorrow as well here. So in terms of the market for tomorrow, the L3 is around 9459.1, and then we also have the pivot points around the 9484 mark, and the H3 is around 9488. Again, I would expect the price to do a similar thing. My strategy is very simple. I keep it very simple, to be honest. So in terms of where the market is going to trade, I would expect the market to open around this time, and then probably either trade into the H3 level where I'll be looking for shorts, and my stop loss will go above the R4, or if the market comes all the way down to L3, then I'm looking for longs with my stop loss well beyond the L4 level. So that's my plan for tomorrow for FTSE. Now let's look at ES or S&P 500. So let's look at how the market traded today. So the market opened around 6767, and then it was trading all the way in that R3 and R4 level. As you can see, it never came back to the S3 level. So yeah, it just held the R3 level quite well. I think even the price came 50% again of fib. Not really. It kind of fell short by a few points. I didn't trade yesterday because I had a very good trade in FTSE. So yeah, the price actually was moving sideways, as you could see. There's nothing much in terms of the trades. Maybe you could have traded the retest of the R3 levels. So it had around 3 touches, 1, 2, and 3. And then you could have exited around R4 for short-term scalps in a ENS. For tomorrow, we got the L3 at 6780.25. Pivot is around 6784.25, and the H3 or the R3 is at 6797.25. So again, my strategy is going to be very simple. I'll wait for the price to either visit H3, where I'll be looking for shorts with my stop loss above the H4 or R4 levels, or if the price moves down and then visits L3 or S3, then I'll be looking for longs with my stop loss below the L4 or H4 levels. So I'm going to keep it very simple for tomorrow. So yeah, that's the plan. I hope all goes well with your trading tomorrow, and I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Thank you.